Okay, this is Charles McMahon from with Expert Village. Next thing we're going to do is prepare the clamps. Now, you can see we've got this so that it fits together. We can tap these pieces in with the rubber mallet. You can see it's pretty stable. So this is without glue, okay? So we're going to take this apart and glue it, but first we're going to clamp it after we glue it. So we're going to have to set up our clamps and be ready to clamp this thing down. I have to see how we're going to do this. I think we'll try it perhaps here. Okay, so we'll put one clamp there, and I think we'll put one clamp on the opposite side, the same location. And that should be good to hold it together after we get the glue on. So now we're ready to put the epoxy on. We'll take this thing apart. We'll have the clamps ready at the right spots. And okay.